Hey guys, what's up? This is your friend Prabhas. Welcome back to my channel Prabhas Crunchy. Hope you all are fine. So if you are new in my channel, then subscribe, share, like and press the bell icon to get the latest videos uploaded in my channel fast. Thank you guys. Hi guys, this is your friend Prabhas once again and welcome back to my channel Prabhas Kanchi. Hope you all are fine. So today I will show you Temi, one of the tourist spot in South Sikkim, and the state name is Sikkim. You can see I will show you around the tea garden. So let's go guys, I will show. This is the guys entry gate right now in front of us. Here you have to pay 10 rupees per person. This Temi tea garden have originated from Tendong Range Hill and it's spread over about 177 hectare equivalent to 440 acre. Let's get entry guys. So to take care of this tea garden, they are having 406 worker with 43 staff. So this is the guys Temi garden. You can see it's almost spread over about 177 hectare. One of the tourist spots in South Sikkim and the state name is Sikkim. Let's go guys, I will show you around this place. So beautiful, maintained by the state government Sikkim and government of India. You can see everywhere, wherever your eye will go, you will find everywhere the tea trees everywhere. And this is the spot, you can see I love Temi is written there. And see this, on the bottom you can see the road. I will take you around this place. So this is a nice spot. You can see wherever your eye will go, you will find these trees. Tea trees. Temi, you can see far away from us. This is the Kanchenjunga mountain, world's third largest mountain. You can see about 28,169 feet. See this guy, so beautiful. And you can see that there is having two girls, local girls. You can see. So Sikkim girls. Anything you can see. Can say something about Temi. Happy New Year. So guys, one thing that I have come to this place in the time of New Year. It's 1 January 2021. So.
Are you making vlog?
Yes. I'm making the vlog. Can you?
YouTube channel?
Yes. My YouTube channel. I'm on YouTube channel. So.
How many subscribers you got?
I already gaining 1,000 subscribers. 2-3 days before I just touched my 1,000 subscribers. So
congratulations.
thank you. And just travel everything around and enjoy the scene. I'm from Odisha. Yeah. So nice to meet you girls and thank you talking with you.
Bye-bye.
Okay. So guys, they are having two girls and this is guys you can see. The I love Temi is written. See guys, the road is just beside of this tea garden. There you can see. Let's go guys, I will show you around this place how it looks like. So well combination, you can see. They are having far away from us right now. Kanchenjunga. This is the tree garden. Near the tree garden, you can see the road. Well maintained by the state government, Sikkim government and government of India also. You can see. There you can see Temi is written. So visit this place, guys. Take a tour. In the free time, take a tour and explore this place. Temi, one of the tourist spots in South Sikkim, and I hope you will enjoy too much when you come to this place. This is so beautiful guys. So let's go, guys. I will show some more things. I mean, I have given my another channel ID in the description section. Go there, subscribe, share, and like that channel also. And there you can see, guys, Kanchenjunga, the world's third largest mountain. So beautiful. This is, guys, Timi Tea Garden. This tea garden have originated from Tendong Range Hill with slope of 30 to 50%. Established in the year, guys, 1969 and adopted the Institute of Marketology of Switzerland in 2005. And from this tea garden, guys, teas are exported to Canada, Japan, and so many countries. Let's go, guys. I will show you another beautiful place when you are going from Timi towards Rabong or Namchi. That place will fall in the midway. Biodiversity Park, you can see Forest and Environment Department of Government of Sikkim. Here they are having no entry fees to pay any money. This park includes, guys, so many flowers, traditional cottages, and you can arrange a picnic here in the newer time. And small pond you can see as the newer time going on, so you can take rest here and enjoy the surrounding scenes, take some relaxation, play any sports, enjoy picnic. And this biodiversity park is also called Tendong State Biodiversity Park, and this park is rich, full of, you can get here walnuts, oak trees, chestnuts, cane, bamboos, alders, everything. This biodiversity park is covered. This is approximately, guys, 4 hours. The time will take from Siliguri, West Bengal to reach here. And if you come from Gangtok, then the time will take 2 hours. 40 to 45 kilometers from Gangtok to this state biodiversity park. Guys, I have given in my description section some useful videos. Don't forget to check out those videos also, guys. It's very important. As you can see, guys, the small walking path made by rocks, and it's very beautiful place, guys. Visit this place and explore some species like walnuts, chestnuts, oak trees, varieties, bamboos, cane trees, alders, everything, guys. So this park is, Tendong State Biodiversity Park is full of variety of species. Come this place and explore also. So, guys, this much is everything about Timi Tea Garden and Tendong State Biodiversity Park. So hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget subscribe, like, and share my channel, guys. I have given my another channel link ID in my description. Go there and subscribe that channel also. So till the next video, guys, bye bye and thank you.